What I'm going to show you now naman will be how to filter messages. And this is very common for mga business owners kasi they receive tons and tons of emails na yung mga importante kung minsan nawawala na. Ang hirap na mag-wade through doon sa dami ng emails na natatanggap nila in a day. 'Di ba? So, what you need to do sa mga ganong cases is to set a filter system dun sa mga messages nila. So, I will teach you how to do that. To do that, select the email muna. So, usually, let's say it's a group of emails. So, you can open it and then click this one. And then, select mo lang ito, filter messages like these. Yan. So, it's up to you. Pwede mo siyang iwanan na. So, lahat ng galing dito sa email na to, mafi-filter. Kung minsan naman, pwede mong sabihin, kasi halimbawa, for a certain company, iba-iba yung emails na ginagamit nila, pero same company sila. Pwede rin naman natanggalin mo to na tapos, palitan mo, dito mo lagay, passwords, Google. Ganyan. So, it's all up to you kung paano mo siya isi-set. But, you have the option. So, you have the option to set it based dun sa sender, kung kanino pinadala. Pwede ka rin mag-filter based on the subject. Kung yun, has the words. So, kung may ganong word, mafi-filter siya. Walang word na ganon or anything. You can filter by size. You can also filter by attachment or kung may chat siya or wala. Okay? So for this exercise, we'll just leave it based dun sa address. So once you've set it, just click on create a filter. Ngayon, ano bang gusto mong gawin niya bago niya i-filter yung message? So, pwede mo siyang skip yung inbox. So, if you tick this box, hindi na siya dadaan ng inbox mo. Automatically, ma-filter siya. Pwede mo rin siyang i-mark as read. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng star. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng label. I-forward, i-delete. Yan, send to spam. Always mark it as important. Never mark it as important. Pwede mo siyang i-categorize. And then, ito, para ma-filter din yung mga ibang emails na na-send na prior to you making the filter setting. Okay? So, what I would usually do is select apply the label. And usually, siniskip ko na rin yung inbox kung hindi naman siya ganun ka. Importante. So, and then I will choose a label. So, yan. So, choose a label kapag existing na. And a new label kung hindi pa existing. So, ano ba yung mga existing labels mo? Dito mo siya makikita sa baba. So, I already have the marketing and yung marketing Tony Robbins na filters. Yan. And labels. So, since si Google yung filter ko, I will create a new label. Yan. And I will add Google. So, itong nest label under, it means meron siyang parent label. So, as you can see here, si Tony Robbins, nakapasok siya under sa marketing folder. Yan. So, ganun yung mangyayari kapag nagne-nest ka ng label. Ayan. Let's see. So, siya, since gagawin ko lang siyang parent, tatanggalin ko lang siya. Okay. So, pag nakaset na siya, just click on create. And then, I would also make sure na naka-check to. Para yung mga nasend na previously is mafi-filter din siya. And after that, just simply create your filter. Ayan. So, makikita mo, andito na siya. Diba? Ayan na siya. So, ayan. Makikita mo na siya dyan. Okay. So, the next thing that we're going to learn naman is how to create a subfolder. Kasi ito may folder ka na, di ba? Ngayon, paano ka gagawa nito? Na additional subfolder. So, same process lang din. So, from here, let's say yan. Halimbawa, ito namang, let's say. Tapos, click mo lang ulit, filter mo lang siya ulit. And then, create filter. Then, skip the inbox. Apply mo lang yung label. Choose new label. And then, test mails. And then, click mo lang to siya para makagawa ka ng subfolder. So, pag nilagay ko siya dito kay Google, for example, papasok siya dun sa Google folder. Pag create ko siya, tapos pinasok ko to. Makikita mo ngayon na dito, may subfolder ka na. Ayan, on your left-hand side, sa sidebar mo. Naka-subfolder ka na. So, that's how easy it is for you to create subfolders. So, kailan ba ito ginagawa? So, for example, you're trying to categorize yung mga different kinds of emails na natatanggap ni clients. So, kung halimbawa, nakakatanggap siya ng mga marketing emails, nakakatanggap siya ng proposal emails, nakakatanggap siya ng mga meeting emails, invite emails. So, pwede mo siyang i-separate based on their categories. And you can put them separately sa kani-kanilang mga folders. Okay? Now, ngayon, anong gagawin mo kung halimbawa meron ka ng mga labels na or folders na kailangan mo alisin, hindi na siya applicable, gusto mong palitan, etc., etc. How will you manage your labels? So, to do that, you have to again go back to the gear icon and then click on it and then go back to settings. And this time, oops, ba't siya bumalik? Wait. This time, dito naman tayo pupunta sa, di ba, initially kanina nasa general lang tayo. So, dito ka pumunta sa labels. Yan. So, click on labels. And ngayon, makikita mo kung ano-ano yung mga available mo na labels. So, meron kang inbox. Ayan. So, sent, yung scheduled. Ito yung ngayon yung mga ginawa mo na. Yan. Si Google, si Testmail, ito yung ginawa nila natin kanina. Yan. Diba? Ngayon, makikita mo yung status niya. Makikita mo kung naka-show ba siya, kung naka-hide, show if unread. Tapos, ito naman is kung nasa message list, naka-show and hide. And then, what do you want to do? So, kung halimbawa, gusto ko na itong tanggalin, re-remove ko lang siya. Yan, click ko lang yung remove. Or kung gusto ko siyang i-edit, click ko lang yung edit. Anong gusto kong gawin? Gusto kong palitan ng name. So, test lang. Let's say, just click on save. Or, yan, I can also just delete it. Wala na, tapos siya dito. So, it's, ganun lang siya ka-simple. And dito, parang ano lang siya, very clean pa kasi konti pa lang. But when you're handling, let's say, 1,000, 2,000, and above na emails, then this will come in very handy for you. And this is one of the common tasks na pinapagawa ng mga clients sa mga VAs nila. All right, so that's it for our Gmail deep dive. We will be continuing this for our next video, which is we will be talking more about the calendar naman. Okay, so I will see you there.